Welcome to the UK's first alternative to returfing, Regener8, the Lawnmaster lawn renovation process. Some lawns require complete refurbishment in order to restore them to full health. Traditionally, the only option in this case would be to completely remove the existing lawn and then re-turf the entire lawn area, which can be very expensive due to the labour involved and the cost of purchasing the turf. In some cases, the turf is also in poor condition when it arrives. The key to the success of Regener8 is our unique dressing, manufactured exclusively for Lawnmaster. It's the result of many years of research and extensive testing conducted across the country. Blended to our exact specification, it produces a high-quality root zone that also maximizes the speed of establishment. Regener8 contains no recycled green waste, as this can introduce long-term issues such as pathogens and can result in a lawn developing diseases. Lawnmaster's unique Regener8 dressing is the best one available to grow a healthy new lawn. The Lawnmaster Regener8 process has 8 steps. The first visit involves a herbicide application and moss killer. Soon after this is the second visit, starting with scarification to remove dead matter, such as thatch that has built up over time and any dead moss and weeds from the first visit. Scarification strips your lawn back to a healthy soil base. Following scarification is surface preparation, which involves clearing and bagging up the dead matter before raking the surface of the soil. This prepares the lawn for underseeding to ensure a strong grassroot base. The next step is our bespoke Lawnmaster dressing application, which is evenly spread throughout the whole lawn. The dressing is the ultimate growing medium to allow the grass seed to thrive. We then overseed to ensure maximum germination, ensuring full coverage of your lawn. The final step in our process is an application of fertilizer, which is the vital food for your lawn to increase the speed of germination and to grow a lush green lawn. The advantage of choosing Lawnmaster to renovate your lawn is that we are a national network of ex-turf professionals who have worked on some of the UK's top sporting venues, from Premier League football pitches to championship-winning golf courses. You can trust Lawnmaster to provide the best lawn care service available because of our experience, expertise, and thousands of satisfied customers. Get in touch now for a free and no-obligation quote. Your local Lawnmaster office will arrange to visit and provide you with a free lawn analysis and answer any questions you may have.